Alright, say hello to my little friend, the Nike bird. Looks like a Nike sneaker. Always comes around July. Usually looking for the sunflowers, but the sunflowers didn't do so well this year. I could see your friend behind the other flowers over there. Let's see if we could get both of them in there. Alright. There they go. The Nike tag team. Oh, there they go. Now they're on the hostas. The lovely couple. Alright, have a great morning. Now they're in the street. Don't be for the streets. The Nike bird. Looks like a sneaker. Please like and subscribe for more Kevinesfarm content.